Hi guys, I just happened to be on Wayfire and we're using the ISO of this particular number, which actually is on AAG if you want it. And the topic of the video is something that was on my to-do list for some time. I always thought there is something wrong with the applications. But it seemed, so we can again browse the network from thunar, and it seemed, and I found the information, that's also a very important message. Think out of the box, right? Information, I got it from the Garuda forum. And all we need is a certain package that's from now on, again on the ISO, as gvfs, let's see, yep, bigger. So gvfs-dnssd. So it seems, what I've read on the Garuda forum, that they split the package into two, and we need this one on our ISOs. So reboot, that's all you need to do, sudo pacman -s this thing, reboot, and then in thunar you'll can find the ISO builder. So I'm not on the ISO builder, it's next to me. This is only interesting for people who have more computers, who want to share things in their network. And from time to time, I'm going to share the Samba that's on there and move videos like these and pictures to the ISO builder and put them online. So it's only interesting for people who want to look around in their network, and we don't have to type anymore SMB, and then the normal procedure was the last 2 months, 168, figure out the number, the IP address, and then 1.50 or something, and you get to the same computer. But this is Avahi, right? That's a package that normally is there. The only thing we were missing was the split thing. So make sure you've installed that and then reboot and everything will be fine. What is crucial as well is the NS switch, this one. That's the file, etc nss, so nsswitch.conf. We've changed it a little bit to our liking. And if you go for the ATT, right, an application that we have, ArcoLinux tweak tool, it will show you that there are choices in the move you around here, and services, I think, and then network. This is the NS switch, and we have choices: ArcoLinux, ArcoLinux, Big Linux, and Endeavor. People make different choices, so different configuration, and you can set them here. If you think something is not working the way it should be, then you go change it there. All right, cheers.